Who can pass up a free dresser, right? I probably should, but sometimes I just can't. I'm going to show you today how I created this look using Debi's Design Diary Vida Flora Inlay. It's a brand new inlay created by the beautiful owners of IOD, Sally and Josie, along with Debi Beard with DIY Paint. It's sad how far I had to go back to find my Mexico trip pictures in my phone.
Wait.
It's gonna happen.
Oh my gosh, it's not open. I got it.
Whoa, look at that. Hey, pout over here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Look at that. Awesome.
8-page inlay is so pretty. Debi said that her family sold and designed artisania folk art from Mexico in their shop just south of the border. The beautiful colors of this inlay are a tribute to her heritage. I was honored to be asked by IOD to take one of the inlays and do a few different projects with it. Stay till the end to see the other projects that I did. We are at Value Village, which is right across the street from our shop, and usually their prices are a little high, but we're gonna go in and see what they have. And what are you looking for, babe?
Guns and ammo.
But anyway, Theo, he's just looking for some friends.
And a nap.
And yeah, he just wants to be carried around the store, and he wants everyone to say how cute he is and then try to bite them when they try to pet him.
Yep.
So
Just like Debi.
yeah, just like me. I started out with White Swan, but then I decided it really wasn't speaking to me, so I switched over to Bohemian Blue, and I'm really glad I did. So I did a coat of the Bohemian Blue, and then I did another coat of paint where the inlay is going to go. And then you just lay your inlay face down on the wet paint and flatten it out really good. Then you can use a spray bottle of water and mist it, and then take your IOD brayer or something flat and flatten it out to make sure that you get it completely adhered to the paint. I'm flattening it out, I will go ahead and spray it a little bit more with water because you kind of want to keep it wet while you're flattening it out. But then you'll just let it completely dry. And that takes anywhere from about a half hour to 3 hours, I guess. I left mine sitting overnight. Let's see if I can get a zoom in on my store. There it is, right there. See it? That's my shop. This is Rob's score at the thrift store. I've found that you can take your inlay too and spray the paint side of it with water, and that will help it adhere better, and you'll get less wrinkles and it does stick better. But I didn't do that on this, but that was one of the things that I found while I was working on some other pieces. But you can use a brayer. You don't have to have a brayer. You can use a wet sponge or a damp cloth to flatten out your inlay, but I really think the brayer works the best for me. This was 24 hours later, and I am going to take the inlay off. So you want to spray it really good with water, wait about 30 seconds or so, and then you can start peeling the inlay off. As you're pulling your inlay off, just lay them face up on a flat surface and let them dry. And then once they're dry, you can stack them and use them again. This inlay was the second use, and because I had used it on Bohemian Blue, it came out a lot lighter than I wanted it to. So I took Debi's new Painterly paints, which are the exact same colors as the inlay, which is crazy, and just filled in the flowers and stuff. So with this inlay, you can definitely do that with her paints. Just fill in the flowers. It looks exactly like the other side. You can't tell at all that I did this. I got this dresser from a friend of mine who said she knew somebody who was giving away a free dresser, and she sent me a picture, and it was all taken apart, but I could tell that it was cool. So we went and got it and brought it back here. My husband Rob had to fix the drawers because they were sticky, do some Bondo. It needed some work, but don't look at my mess. It needed some work, but that's what we do. We fix things. We can fix it. He could fix it. I knew he could fix it. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I'm going to put an inlay underneath the mirror. There's an area on the mirror that has a big hole where the reflection is gone. So I want to put an inlay there, and I think it's going to be really cute. I decided on this little pink butterfly, and I painted the back of the mirror, the wood thing that goes on the back of the mirror. There's Theo. Bohemian Blue, and then figured out where the inlay was supposed to go behind that hole right there, and put the inlay on, and there it is. I ended up waxing the entire thing rather than using the big top on this, but I waited till the next day and it didn't smear or anything. So if you wait 24 hours, you can wax right over your inlay. After you wait a couple hours after you wax your piece, you can go ahead and buff it out with a soft cloth, and that will give it a really nice sheen. And then this piece is basically done. Here we are, Planet Fitness again, and I'm going in. I'm gonna do the circuit training, I think, today, and maybe like 2 or 3 other machines on top of that, but that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna go home and edit my video. Hey, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. If you need any of the products shown in this video, I have them down in my description box below. You can click on the links and purchase anything there. Or just message me and I'll help you out. And let me know what you think about this inlay. I think it's really good.
Do another subscribe for the left, and then leave a thumbs up.